What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of cybersecurity, and no, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get it. We've got 13 free online courses, all with shiny certificates upon completion to supercharge your career whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned tech pro. We'll be covering everything from building your own storage labs to mastering the art of ethical hacking, and yes, you heard that right, free. We're talking $0, zero excuses for not stepping up your cybersecurity game. So, if you're ready to unlock new opportunities, future-proof your skills, and maybe even impress some recruiters, buckle up and get that notepad ready. Let's dive into the world of NetApp storage. This course is all about setting up your own NetApp ONTAP lab for free. Learn cloud storage management and get hands-on with industry-leading tech. Configure virtual storage networks and master data management. The course guides you step by step, perfect for beginners. Test configurations and explore NetApp in a real-world environment. Finish with a solid understanding of NetApp ONTAP and job-ready confidence. Next up, we're tackling the fundamental building blocks of IT infrastructure storage area networks, or SANs, and network-attached storage, or NAS. These technologies are the backbone of data storage, and understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to break into the cybersecurity field. This free course breaks down the complexities of SANs and NAS into bite-sized, easy-to-understand concepts. You'll learn about the different types of storage networks, their strengths and weaknesses, and how they're used in real-world scenarios. We're talking about the difference between block-level and file-level access, the benefits of centralized storage, and the security considerations you need to keep in mind when designing and managing these systems. Whether you're aiming for a role in network administration, cybersecurity, or even cloud computing, having a solid understanding of SANs and NAS is essential. And with this free course, you can gain that knowledge and add another valuable certification to your arsenal. Time to roll up our sleeves and get hands-on with some hardware hacking. This course introduces you to the wonderful world of Raspberry Pi, a tiny computer that packs a serious punch. You'll learn the basics of Raspberry Pi and dive into the exciting world of Python programming. Control LEDs, read sensor data, and build custom gadgets, all with code. Take your cybersecurity skills from theory to practice with cool projects. Grab your Raspberry Pi and unleash your inner maker. Chapter 4. Mastering Brackets, your go-to code editor. Free course. Every cybersecurity professional needs a trusty code editor, and Brackets is here to be your new best friend. This free course will guide you through Brackets, an open-source code editor perfect for all developers. Learn about its intuitive interface, powerful features, and how it can streamline your coding workflow. Syntax highlighting, code completion, and live preview, all designed to make coding easier. Brackets is lightweight, customizable, and has a vibrant community creating extensions and themes. Plus, it's free to use, so you can say goodbye to expensive software licenses. Whether you're writing Python scripts, building web applications, or need a reliable editor, Brackets has got you covered. Chapter 5. From Code to Creation, Raspberry Pi Hardware Projects. Free course. Ready to take your Raspberry Pi skills to the next level? This hands-on course dives into the exciting world of hardware projects using the Raspberry Pi. We're talking about building real-world gadgets, automating your home, and letting your imagination run wild. Imagine controlling motors, reading data from sensors, and creating interactive displays, all with the power of the Raspberry Pi. This course will guide you through the process, providing step-by-step instructions and clear explanations along the way. You'll learn how to connect electronic components, write code to control them, and troubleshoot any issues that arise. It's the perfect way to combine your software and hardware skills and create something truly unique. So, gather your components, fire up your soldering iron, and get ready to bring your hardware visions to life. Chapter 6. Python 3 and Turtle Graphics, a fun introduction. Free course. Let's face it, learning to code can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be boring. This course makes learning Python 3 fun and engaging by using turtle graphics. You'll be writing code that creates colorful shapes and patterns, all while mastering the fundamentals of Python programming. Think of it like learning to code while playing a game. You'll be drawing spirals, stars, and even your own custom designs, all while gaining valuable programming skills. It's a great way to visualize how code works and see the results of your hard work in action. Python is a versatile language used in everything from web development to data science, and having a strong foundation in Python 3 will open up a world of possibilities. Ready to build robust and scalable web applications? This course introduces you to TypeScript, a powerful language that adds type safety to JavaScript, making your code more reliable and easier to maintain. You'll learn how TypeScript can help you catch errors early on, improve code organization, and build more complex applications with confidence. We're talking about interfaces, classes, and modules, all the building blocks you need to write clean and efficient TypeScript code. TypeScript is becoming increasingly popular in the web development world, and for good reason. Whether you're a seasoned JavaScript developer or just starting your web development journey, learning TypeScript is a valuable investment in your skills. Remember that adorable BB-8 droid from Star Wars? Well, get ready to build your own smartphone-controlled version using Arduino and Bluetooth technology. This hands-on project combines hardware and software development, allowing you to create a fully functional BB-8 that responds to commands from your phone. You'll learn how to interface with Bluetooth modules, control motors, and program the droid's movements using Arduino. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding project that will test your skills and leave you with a one-of-a-kind creation. This project is not only fun and engaging, but also a great way to learn about robotics, wireless communication, and embedded programming. In the fast-paced world of tech, efficient project management is crucial, and that's where Scrum comes in. This course provides a concise yet comprehensive introduction to the Scrum framework, a popular Agile methodology used by teams worldwide to deliver projects efficiently. You'll learn about the Scrum roles, events, and artifacts, and how they all work together to promote collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Whether you're a developer, designer, or project manager, understanding Scrum can significantly enhance your team's productivity and ability to adapt to changing requirements. Chapter 10. Kanban. Visualize your workflow and boost efficiency. Free course. Looking for a way to streamline your workflow and improve team collaboration? Look no further than Kanban. This course introduces you to the Kanban method, a visual system for managing work and optimizing workflow efficiency. You'll learn how to create a Kanban board, visualize your workflow, identify bottlenecks, and continuously improve your processes. Kanban emphasizes visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and maximizing flow, helping teams deliver value faster and with greater efficiency. Chapter 11. Agile Product Management. Building better products, faster. Free course. In today's rapidly evolving market, building products that meet customer needs requires an agile approach. This course dives into the world of agile product management, providing you with the principles and practices to build better products faster. You'll learn about iterative development, customer feedback loops, and how to prioritize features based on value and impact. Agile product management empowers teams to adapt to changing market demands, deliver value incrementally, and build products that customers love. Chapter 12. Mastering Jira for Agile Project Management. Free course. Ready to take your Agile project management skills to the next level? This comprehensive course covers Jira, a powerful tool used by teams worldwide to plan, track, and manage Agile projects. You'll learn how to create projects, manage issues, track progress, and generate reports, all within the Jira platform. Jira is an industry-standard tool for Agile development, and mastering its features will make you a valuable asset to any team. Chapter 13. Cisco Labs Crash Course. Optimize your internet sharing. Free course. Want to become the master of your own network? This Cisco Labs Crash Course will teach you how to configure Cisco routers to optimize internet service sharing, giving you the skills to manage your home or small office network like a pro. You'll learn about routing protocols, network address translation, and how to configure your router for optimal performance. Cisco routers are widely used in enterprise networks, so gaining experience with them is a valuable addition to your cybersecurity skill set. And there you have it, folks. 13 free online courses with certificates to boost your cybersecurity career. Start learning today by clicking the links provided in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and don't forget to ring that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep on learning.